Sir, I don't really know if I'm doing this right. Bathing and stuff.
Well, Toby, that's a good place to start. Personal hygiene is super important, especially now that your body is changing.
Why? I mean, I bathe sometimes.
During puberty, boys sweat more and start growing hair in new places. Without regular washing, body odor builds up. People notice it. And not in a good way.
Oh. I see. So, how often should I bathe?
At least once a day, Toby. And if you're playing sports or running around, a quick shower afterward helps too.
Okay. Once a day, maybe twice on game days. Sir, my hair feels all messy and sweaty after school.
Hair hygiene is just as important as body hygiene. Wash your hair 2 to 3 times a week with shampoo, brush it daily, and if your hair was long, you shower it back if it's long.
But sir, sometimes it's oily, sometimes dry.
That's normal. Use mild shampoo and don't overwash. Too much shampoo can dry it out. A balanced routine keeps your hair healthy and neat.
Got it. Healthy hair, check.
That's it.
Sir, my face is breaking out again. Pimples everywhere.
Acne is normal during puberty. Oil glands work overtime, so your skin gets oily and pores clog.
So, what should I do?
Wash your face gently twice a day with mild soap or face wash. Don't pick at pimples, that makes scars. And eat healthy foods, avoid too much junk.
No picking, check. Healthy food. Easier said than done.
Start small. Fruits and water are easy wins.
Sir, brushing my teeth is boring. Do I really need to brush twice a day?
Absolutely. Your mouth produces more bacteria during puberty. Brush twice daily, floss, and rinse with water. Otherwise, you risk cavities and bad breath.
Okay. Twice a day. Floss. Got it.
Mouthwash can help too, but don't rely on it alone. Good brushing is key.
Sir, sometimes I smell. Even after a shower.
That's your sweat glands working harder now. Apply deodorant or antiperspirant after bathing. Wear clean clothes every day, especially underwear and socks.
Clean clothes every day. Deodorant. Check.
Trust me, it keeps you confident, and people won't complain when you're around.
Sir, I usually don't trim my nails often. Does it matter?
Yes! Short, clean nails prevent dirt and germs from hiding under them. Wash hands before eating and after playing outside, especially now that germs spread easily.
Okay. Trim nails and wash hands. Noted.
A clean body is a healthy body, Toby. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good and staying healthy.
Sir, I never realized hygiene was this important.
It's more than soap and water. Personal hygiene helps you feel confident, stay healthy, and respect yourself and others.
I get it now. Bathe daily, wash hair and face, brush teeth, use deodorant, clean clothes, trim nails. I think I can do this.
I know you can. Make it a habit, Toby, and puberty will feel a lot easier. Good hygiene equals confidence plus health. Start healthy habits today.